Yo, what's going on, YouTubers? I'm about to upload a video right now when I went to my LA trip last year. Hope you guys enjoy it. It's when I was actually hiking up to the Hollywood sign. Nothing crazy or anything like that, but it's pretty dope. So make sure you check it out. Make sure you share the video. If you like it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. And I hope you guys enjoy it. More videos on the way, and as always, peace. Welcome to the top of Hollywood Hills. The Brush Canyon Trail through Griffith Park here in Los Angeles. Look at that. That's the tower right there that goes right behind the Hollywood sign. There's a beautiful moon up there. And I just keep going and I keep walking. But it's all fenced off up there, guys, you see? Like, you can't even get to it. And they have helicopters that like check periodically to see if anybody goes like on top of the sign. That's how secure it is. I've never done this before, first time. And I'll tell you guys right now, it's amazing. Let me show you guys downtown LA from here. Check this out. You see that? You could barely see it. I'm gonna try to zoom in a little bit if I can. I don't think I can though. But anyway, it's all downtown LA that you could see barely, like where my finger is right there. It's downtown LA. Gosh, thank the Lord. It's all downtown LA. I didn't realize how close that was to downtown LA until I got up here. I'm literally that close to downtown Los Angeles. I came up here last night, but I came up here after dark and I got told to leave, so couldn't go in. I'm here though. What's up, guys? Yeah! What's up? I don't get to do this every day, especially for my iPhone 7, which is perfect. Which, by the way, guys, it's probably one of the best things ever, that I've ever done, is literally hike all the way to the Hollywood sign. Look at beautiful Los Angeles, guys, right here. Just beautiful. Beautiful Los Angeles, right behind me. Beautiful. You could barely see it. I'd have to zoom in more. All right, guys, here I am. What? You can't even see the sign right now, but I'm going right over it. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Los Angeles. There's that tower again. Yep. Hope you guys enjoy. More videos on the way. Wow. That's amazing. Look at that. Hollywood, baby. Los Angeles. Los Angeles. Moon. All of LA right there. including downtown LA, downtown Los Angeles, all those buildings. Definitely worth the hike, guys. I recommend it. Yep. It's actually wrong, guys. You can go up here all the way to the sign. Oh, it's beautiful, man. That's just not all of it. Like, look at this. All of Los Angeles just lit up, and then downtown LA just lit up right there. Oh, wow. And all the houses, man. It's amazing. Beautiful Los Angeles. And that tower, but all the security lights. And the Hollywood signs right before it. I was just up there. This is just breathtaking. Looks like a blimp right above downtown Los Angeles, all the buildings down there. It's beautiful. Of course, there's Jupiter, the moon, and lastly the tower right behind the Hollywood sign. So beautiful, guys. It's all Los Angeles lit up. And Hollywood and Clover City way out there. And then downtown Los Angeles. It's just amazing.